Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam and this is Sunshine Ligustrum from the Southern Living Plant Collection in 2 minutes. If you can't tell already, this is a very bright, showy ornamental shrub. Sunshine Ligustrum can be maintained between 3 and 6 feet in height. I'm actually keeping this one cone shaped on the end right here. I'm about to prune it now. The two up at the top up here, I pruned more recently. You can see the little cone shape back there. They can be used as hedging, as a screening plant between you and a neighbor. It can be used as a standalone like I'm doing here. It can be used in a container. Super versatile plant. They're hardy in zone 6 to 10. No real pest or disease problems. They're deer resistant. There's just a lot of things going for this plant. It does need a lot of sun. The more sun, the more color on the foliage. It probably needs at least 6 hours of direct sun, and more than that would be preferable. The space I'm in right now is probably getting between 8 and 10 hours of direct sun every day. It's morning now. The sun will come over my house and just cook this thing the rest of the day, and it's completely and totally happy. It can be sheared kind of anytime you want to. Late winter is probably the best time to do heavy pruning on it, but you can go right up through midsummer and do some light shearing on it like I'm gonna do, just cone shaping this one. They can be fertilized in the late winter. Sometimes these Sunshine Ligustrum in the late winter, they'll do some shedding, and sometimes that shedding will occur before the new growth gets started on it. Don't be concerned about that. These thinned out temporarily for maybe 3 or 4 weeks, and then boom, just like magic, the new growth came on them and they looked fantastic again. And that's pretty much it. There's just really, I don't have to do anything but enjoy how bright and showy these are. And I've talked about them a lot on my channel over time, and there's a reason for it. It's just you can plug this plant in to any space and immediately have an impact on it. It would look great underplanted with some flowering perennials or any kind of dark green foliage pieces you want to use. It also is extremely drought tolerant once it's established, and so if you have a bank or sloped areas and you want to put something that's kind of cone shaped or taller on your slope, this would be also a really, really great choice. So be on the lookout for these Sunshine Ligustrum from the Southern Living Plant Collection. So thank you very much for watching this 2-minute version of this variety. I frequently have a longer version of these videos on my channel that may show me planting them and maybe some additional information that I didn't share in this shortened version. I also have playlists on this channel for very specific needs. If you're looking for screening plants or foundation plants or shade plants, or you're in like zone 6 or 7, I have playlists that include all the plants that will grow in your area. So look for those playlists on my channel. Thanks for watching.